Today we want to use Burai to create supercell, the bulk supercell like we did earlier. So first of all, you have to download your zip file from any database at all. We have the C2DB, which is used for 2D materials. We have materials project for all sorts of materials, and there are other databases you can use. So I downloaded mine from Material Studio. So you drag the zip file into the software and then it loads for you. Once you have the structure, you go to the bottom left and then you click here. You have show atoms input file. Go to modeler, select that, and then it allows you to build the supercell. So you type in the size. So let's do a 4x4x4 and then press the enter button and it creates it for you. So now we have our huge supercell. We can dope and create vacancy. So when it comes to doping, you double click on the element, you right click, you can delete the atom if you want to create a vacancy. Yes, so that creates a vacancy over here. Let me press Ctrl Z and then instead of vacancy, we can also change the atom, right? So we rename selected atom. You can change it from iron to, let's say, chlorine. And that's what you have. So Control Z to undo. You can also double click, right click, and then move the selected atom because we said you can have defect in terms of dislocation. So you can move selected atom slightly, right, to be a bit displaced from the initial lattice parameter or lattice point, sorry. So once you are done, you can save the document. Lattice should be in angstrom. Elements. Okay. Atoms. Change this to, so you change this one to angstrom as well. And then come here and get the input file. And with the input file, all you need, you don't need everything. You need just the atomic positions and then put it in a text file. Let's open a text file. And you also need the subparameters. So the first line should be the name of your system, which is ion P. I think we did a 4x4x4, 4x4x4. And then you put 1.0 as a standard line just to show Cartesian. Then you put your cell parameters. After that, the elements. So you have ion. I don't think there's any chlorine. The number of elements you have. So it's from here. You can check from here. It's 128, 128. Then you put partition coordinates, and then we save. That's vast. Open a mobile stem. So let me just open my mobile stem. Mhm. So we have to delete the first column. That's a problem. And then we can drag that in. So let's get our here we go.